Hello and welcome to TJ. This podcast contains helpful information in devising a 4-year plan for you for your next 4 years at TJ. I will be going through each year sequentially, and I'd like to refer you to the visual guide entitled Course Planning Sheet for Class of 2015 and beyond. Okay, let's start off with 9th grade. In your freshman year at TJ, you will be taking some courses that are required, and then you have one elective, as you can see on the left column of the page. The required courses, the first 3, are English 9, Biology, and Design and Tech. Those courses have a little asterisk beside them because they're offered as an integrated block. We call that IBET, Integrated Biology English Technology. You will have those 3 courses in a row on either red days or blue days. The next required course, following down the sheet, is Health and PE 9. All freshmen take this class. The next required course is World Language. Many of you are continuing a language that you started in middle school, while others of you will be beginning a new language. We have a wide array of languages available to you throughout your years at TJ, and I would like to refer you to the course selection guide, which is online, for a complete list. The next course in which you will be enrolled is your next math course. If you are currently in geometry in middle school, your next math course will be Algebra 2 with Trigonometry. If you have not yet taken geometry, however, you will take that as your first math course at TJ. Alright, now that you've gotten through the required courses, you have the chance to pick an elective course as your 7th class while at TJ. Many freshmen take computer science as an elective course in order to fill the requirement that you can see below where it says 1 credit of computer science completed before junior year. Many students, however, opt for something a little more fun or something that brings them joy. Orchestra is a great example. Some students take marching band. There's a lot of different courses available in the course selection guide. Okay, let's move on to 10th grade. In 10th grade, you will see that there are 2 starred classes, English 10 and World History Geography 2. Again, they are starred because they are taught in conjunction. The next required course will be chemistry, unless you attended a chemistry course the summer prior to sophomore year. The next required course is Health and PE 10. You will see World Language again, and that will be just simply the next year of the language. Requirement for TJ in terms of world languages is 3 consecutive years of the same language. The next math course, of course, comes next, and then again you have another opportunity to pick a course of your choosing. If you have not yet completed computer science, this is an excellent time to take that course. Many sophomores will feel some pressure to take 1 or more AP courses in this elective spot. You just need to make sure that this is the right choice for you, and you will have plenty of opportunities to have conversations with your counselor about whether that is a good choice. All right, on to 11th grade. Your junior year at TJ you will find particularly challenging, mostly because of the increased pressure to take AP courses, and also things like lab requirements for your senior tech lab, and then of course physics. So one piece of advice from the beginning is not to put too much pressure on yourself junior year. Okay, so again, English 11 and your history course will be team taught. Many students choose to take AP U.S. Virginia History, also fondly known as APUSH, in conjunction with English 11. However, we do have a non-AP option available. The next required course is Physics. Some students choose to take AP Physics. One word of caution, however, if you do choose to take AP Physics, you will want to at least be co-enrolled, if not already have completed AP Calculus BC. The AP Physics course relies heavily on calculus for solving the problems. You will obviously take your next math credit. You will take your 3rd year of world language unless you've already completed your 3 years up to this point. If that's the case, you have an elective. Then you'll notice that you have 2 free electives in 11th grade. Many juniors use this free space to take Tech Lab prerequisites for your senior technology research lab. You will see that as the very bottom line on this. While we're on the bottom of the page, let me direct your attention to several other requirements that are not in the chart above. For example, you must complete 1 credit of Econ and Personal Finance. This is a state of Virginia requirement. You may fit that credit in anywhere you see fit, including in summer school or online. You also need to take 1 credit of, and there's a whole list of courses here, fine art, career and technical ed, cultural studies, or an additional credit of math, science, and tech. You also need to complete an additional credit of non-AP social studies. There are several options for this course. Again, I refer you to the course selection guide for that long list. Okay, so now that you have gone over the additional requirements at the bottom of the page, let's continue on to 12th grade. When you're in 12th grade at TJ, you will have the choice between taking AP English Language or AP English Literature. We will discuss in much greater length which one is the right course for you when we get to that point. You will also be taking AP US Government and Geosystems, as well as your senior research lab. You will have already completed the prerequisites for this research lab. You will take a 4th year of math, even if you've already completed calculus, which is the last required course for TJ. But many of our students go on to take advanced math classes past calculus. Again, you have 2 free elective spots to finish up any of those credits down at the bottom, or just to take a class purely for the fun of it. I know this is a lot to take in all at once, but hopefully it was helpful to you in planning your next 4 years. Keep in mind you will have a counselor assigned to you shortly who will be able to walk you through this 4-year plan in much greater detail. Thank you very much, and have a great day. And now, to finish off this podcast, please enjoy some original music by Junior Ryan F. This song is called Calm Key.